So here in Clovis, California, we just finished installing a Bradford White 40-gallon natural gas water heater. This one is straight out of Hajoka, local plumbing supply house, and you can see right here, model number, serial number, it's the URG240T6N. And so if you go to bradfordwhite.com and give him that serial number and that model number and full name, street address, all your contact info, you get your warranty going on that. Here's your documents are on the side of the water heater in a little pouch right there. And so starting at the top, you know, we proposed this and contracted this a couple months back from today, which is December 24th. And we got out here and there was water damage and extensive water damage, so they had a warranty company come out and dry up all the water, get rid of the mold. I don't know what they did inside, any kind of remodeling they did. We haven't been on the inside of the home, but last thing they did was get this cavity back in place, get the drywall on the wall, and they did that yesterday. So now we can install it. It's ready to go. Starting at the top, you can see I've got a brand new shutoff valve here, quarter turn on, quarter turn off. I'm not going to show you. Well, let me see if I can get it. Yep, there you go. Okay, so quarter turn off, quarter turn on. Copper stubbed out of the wall, and we just soldered an adapter on there, a male adapter. So the copper stubbed out 3 years, obviously. And then 3/4 male adapter, and then a 3/4 brass ball valve, 3/4 nipple, and then a Falcon stainless steel connector. You can't see them, but there's the little chrome nut, stainless steel nut on the bottom. You can see on both sides. Falcon stainless steel connectors are the largest in the industry. These 3/4 supply lines are a 0.725 inside diameter. That's almost a full 3/4. Most supply lines are about 5/8 or less on the inside. And it does matter when it comes to flow, because you can get 12 gallons a minute, 15 gallons a minute, just depending on your water pressure out of this 3/4 line. So anyway, same thing on the other side. We just took apart the existing supply line, was soldered onto the pipe back here, so we covered it all up. But there's an adapter, and again, and then over to Falcon stainless steel connector. They're 3/4 by 15 inches long down here. Brass coupling, brass nipple. We do that to extend it up. We don't get a good seat sometimes with the rubber gasket that's in here to the top of these heat traps, so we just go ahead and put these in here. So those are in. Brand new piece of pipe going up through the roof there, not through the roof, but up to the ceiling bucket, single wall B vent, and then an adjustable 90 draft diverter. So that's all good, brand new. And then relief line, a relief valve comes with the water heater, a short galvanized nipple, dielectric union, copper down here to your existing line that's in the wall. That dumps out down there. You can see it through the louver. That's the relief line. So that's existing. This is R90, our pipe, R90, our pipe, our dielectric union, our nipple, and then this, of course, came with the water heater. Up at the top, you got a adjustable water heater strap on the upper third of the water heater as per code, and then a strap on the lower third of the water heater as per code. And then over here we gave you a little galvanized T, galvanized nipple, 4-inch with a cap on it. It's a sediment trap, or they call it a drip leg or a dirt leg, in case the fuel has debris in it. It fills that up, and I would imagine that takes a good 60 years for that to happen, but that way it keeps this controller free of debris. Brand new shutoff valve, brand new corrugated stainless steel gas line over here to the controller. And so it is lit right now. You can see right here, scalding risk increases with hotter water. Right now we got you at hot, which is approximately 120 degrees. A130, B140, C150, very hot 160. Please leave it at hot. And if you do increase it, be mindful of that scalding risk. And adults usually don't have too much trouble, but toddlers do. Infants at B, 140, which a lot of people like to set it at B for dishes and clothes, 140 degree water. But that water is, for an infant, 1 second, they got 3rd-degree burns going to the hospital. So, and I don't know anything about if there's a family here or just adults. But anyways, that's where we set it. That's where we document that we set it. Just be mindful of that. So everything's in. Gas is, the burner's on right now, and it's heating water. A couple hours, you'll have hot water. I know the homeowner's out of town and won't be back, but when you do get back, you'll have hot water ready to go. Probably some air in the lines, because when you shut off the house, we had to shut the house down to get that valve in up there, so you get some air in the line, and you maybe have to clean out an aerator or two. But so finally this is in, And everything looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.